it's me Ashley and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a lovely day. Today guys, I'm going to be unboxing this month's secret scent box with you. So yes, we're going to be unboxing this month's designer fragrance secret scent box. I'm just going to say right now, I apologise if you can hear any banging or anything in the background. Chris is working in the garden and he can't be quiet, so I do apologise. He's not doing too bad, I don't think, hopefully, touch wood. Anyway, so yes, today we're going to be unboxing this month's secret scent box. Just before I open it, this is how it comes in the post. It is the perfect letterbox size, so you don't have to worry about being in or about answering the door. It just comes through your letterbox super duper easy. And then we open it out, and in here we have our fragrances, lovely presented in this nice black box. It's got metallic silver writing, and inside there are 3 different designer perfumes each month. 3 different designer perfumes to try, and there's enough each month for a 30-day supply. So you'll have your perfume sorted for the month if you subscribe to this. And if you do want to subscribe, it is £15 per month on a monthly subscription. However, you can take out longer subscriptions like 6 months, 12 months. If you do subscribe for 12 months, the boxes become just £13. So I think they're absolutely fantastic. I genuinely think it's a great way to try perfumes. I can be iffy with smells and I like to try things before I buy things. So it's really, really useful for me. I've actually gone on to purchase one of the fragrances we got in last month's box. In fact, I'll show you that now. Yeah, so one of the fragrances last month was the Banana Republic Peony and Peppercorn. And I got this from Superdrug. I just really enjoyed the perfume, and so I decided to buy the bigger bottle, and it was on offer at Superdrug. I think it probably still is till September, I think. So highly recommend. It was lovely. It should have been like £55 and I got it for 25, so absolute steal. And I would never have known about this if it hadn't have been for secret scent box. So I genuinely find it a wonderful thing. So once we open the box, we get a lovely little card telling us which edition it is. It's the August edition. It's the For Her. They also do a For Him box. Never tried that one. And then inside, we also get some little note cards. The first one tells us about if you share, take a photo and tag Secret Scent Box, you might be in the chance to win an Amazon gift card. And then we also get a card about each of the 3 fragrances that we get in the box. So 3 fragrances and 3 information cards. So what I'll do is I will show you each of the perfumes one by one, and I will give you the little read up about them, and then I'm going to sniff them and see what I think. So we'll start with our first fragrance, which is from Valentino, and it is called Donna Rose Verde. It says, a fresh evolution in the world of Valentino perfumes. Valentino Donna Rose Verde steps into the verdant garden of an Italian palace. It has top notes of ginger, bergamot, petitgrain and Paraguay, middle notes of magnolia, rose and osmanthus, and base notes of ambrette, oh my goodness, akigala wood, and mate. Anyway, let's give it a smell, because the smell's the most important part. If I can get hold of it, my goodness. Oh, completely missed the card. Well, I like that. It's a very fresh fragrance. I don't know why. I was expecting it to be more florally, but it feels very fresh and bright. And oh, I do like that though. I do like that. I'm not the best at describing perfumes. We all know this, but it's nice. Okay, so moving on to our next one. It's from Lancôme. And it is a La Nuit Trésor Nude. It says, introducing a brand new La Nuit Trésor Nude. A new chapter where we discover the most authentic love story from Lancôme. It has top notes of coconut and bergamot essence, middle notes of Damascena rose, and base notes of ambrox and vanilla. Oh my goodness, vanilla and coconut. This sounds like it might be right up my street. Yes, that's lovely. Oh my goodness, that's gorgeous. it's the coconutty vanilliness. It smells like holiday-ish almost, but like, just so nice. Oh, that's really, really nice. Really, really nice. Oh no, don't make me buy another fragrance. Genuinely, that's great. Okay, so our third and final one comes from Stella McCartney. It is a Pop Bluebell. It says it's feminine without being fragile, bold yet balanced. Pop Bluebell makes a statement without ever having to shout. Those are tall words. So it has top notes of violet leaf and green mandarin, with middle notes of bellflower, tuberose and frangipani, and base notes of sandalwood, cedar and musk. So let's give it a smell. Okay. I was expecting it to be sweeter for some reason. It's quite subtle. It's nice though, to be honest. All three perfumes are absolutely lovely. Yeah, that's a really nice box. It all feel very feminine, very pretty scents. Yeah, really, really like those. So if I had to, if you were telling me, pick a favourite, it would definitely be the Lancôme, followed by the Valentino and the McCartney. But all three smell gorgeous. So a really, really good box again this month. So thank you very much for sending that over, Secret Scents. It's a lovely, lovely box. Like I said, I can recommend it. It works. You get to try fragrances, decide what you like. And if you like them, go on to purchase the full sizes. But you don't have to if you don't want to, because this supplies you with 30 days worth of perfumes. You know, you're going to be smelling nice the entire month. So I honestly think it's a lovely idea. And I suppose even if you're not a big fragrance fan yourself, it's a fantastic gift. You know, Christmas and stuff will be coming up sooner than we would like. So this type of thing would be fantastic. Anyway, guys, that's this month's Secret Scent box. I hope you've enjoyed the unboxing. Drop me a comment and let me know what you think of these type of boxes. Would you fancy trying it? Are you a fragrance fan? Let me know what you think. And if you've enjoyed the video, then it would be great if you could please do me a favour and hit that like button and give me a huge thumbs up. That'd be fab. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I've got unboxings like this all the time. I try to upload Tuesdays, Thursdays and Christmas Fridays. Doesn't always happen, you know, life can get busy, but I do try my very, very best. So, thank you so much for watching and I will see you again very, very soon. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.